kantahin sa isa't isa ang pinaka-romantic na Filipinong song na alam mo. Okay. Ready?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Madalas ako ikwento ang iyong origins at ang pinaka-gusto mo bagay about being a Filipino. Dad's side is we're from Pampanga, San Fernando, San Agustin, ng Lagman. And then my dad's mom is from Davao, from Bansalan. And then my mom's mom is from Bicol.
Does she know how to make Bicol Express?
Yes, she does. And Laing. So good. My favorite Laing.
Favorite ko yan.
Marunong ba ako magkapampangan? Siyempre. Tiganaw ka rin ka.
Wow.
Biyasa ko ba tita mo?
Wow.
Malago.
Wow. That's all I
Hindi mo
know.
alam yung Malago.
The one thing that I love about our people is that wherever we go, if we find someone who's Filipino, then we're like instantly family, and everyone helps each other, and it's such a strong community. And it was also such a big thing for me kasi I went to a school in like middle school and high school. I was only one of the few Filipino representations.
Wow.
So I felt like it was a big responsibility of mine to represent our people. I introduced my culture to my friends. I shared with them our food because our food is so good then. So yeah, I held that responsibility. We would have like assembly sometimes for like Asian Pacific Islander month. And then I once sang a song. I sing Akin Ka Na Lang. No, wait.
Pag nakakakita ka ng mga Pinoy sa out of the country, pag naririnig mong Tagalog, or pag naririnig ko sila nagkakapampangan, I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
man,
Yeah.
Pinoy. Pinoy ako. Sabi nila, may anting-anting ako, pero di nila alam. Pinoy nagbibiro, pero sa'yo ako'y seryoso.
Go!
Masyado nang mataas yun.
Tataya naway manalo tayo. King Prinsesa. Medley to.